Dear students, let's continue India First Females, chapter number 3. Do you know who was the first Indian woman to be elected as General President of the Indian Science Congress? Yes, she was Ashima Chatterjee. She was born on 23rd September 1917 in Bengal. She was a successful organic chemist of her time. She was the first woman to be awarded a degree, Doctorate of Science, from an Indian university. She was elected as the General President of Indian Science Congress Association in 1975. Do you know who was the first female Chief Justice of a High Court? Yes, she was Leela Seth. She was the first woman judge on the Delhi High Court, and she became the first woman to become Chief Justice of a state high court on 5 August 1991. Your next question is, who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Yes, answer is Mother Teresa. She was the first Indian woman to win Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. She was born on August 26, 1910. She founded the Missionary of Charity in 1950. Who was the first IAS officer after the independence? Yes, she was Anna Rajam Malhotra. She was an Indian IAS officer and joined civil services in 1951. Here, next question is, who was the first Indian woman to receive Gyanpith Award? Yes, she was Asha Punna Devi. In 1976, Bengali novelist Asha Punna Devi became the first woman to win this award. She was also awarded with Padma Shri by Government of India. Here next question is, who was the first woman of Indian origin to venture into space? Yes, answer is Kalpana Chawla. Yes, she was an American astronaut, engineer, and first woman of Indian origin to go to the space. She first flew on the Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotics arm operator. Yes, who is the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest? Yes, she is Bachendri Pal. She is an Indian mountaineer who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Here, next question is, who was the first female judge of Supreme Court? Yes, she was Justice Fatima Bibi. The first woman judge of the Apex Court was Justice Fatima Bibi, who was appointed in 1989. She became the first female judge to be a part of Supreme Court of India. Do you know who is the first female IPS officer? Yes, very famous personality. She is Kiran Bedi. On 16 July 1972, Kiran Bedi started her police training at the National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie. She was the only woman in the batch of 80 men and became the first woman IPS officer. Here, next question is, name the first Indian woman to win Miss World title in the year 1966. Yes, she is Rita Faria. She born on 23rd August 1943. She is an Indian physician and former model and title holder who won the Miss World title in 1966, making her the first Asian woman to win the event. Here, next question is, name the world's first female amputee to climb Mount Everest. Yes, she is Arunima Sinha. India's Arunima Sinha, who became the world's first female amputee to climb Mount Everest in 2013, has added another impressive record to her resume. The 30-year-old has now become the first female amputee to climb Mount Vinson, the highest peak of Antarctica. Name the first female president of India. Yes, she is Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. She is an Indian politician who served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012.